Today is July the 8th, 2025. Welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Okay, let's share the agenda.
And I also have to create a shot here. I have.
Wait,
Stuff for you to do?
Hmm?
You have stuff for
I
me
can
to
no
do?
longer find my window.
For you to review.
Oh,
Because
good.
It's even better.
Mahal. Demain. À demain.
Okay.
And I will try to add something, but if my laptop comes back to life, I will add more to the agenda.
Okay.
Does
What
anyone
do you
have the document open?
I don't. Mathis have it.
I have it, so you can.
No,
Yeah, just like my laptop is not responding.
Oh, okay.
So one is
So one second.
moving to documentation to Kubescape.io.
Oh, yes.
No,
Finally.
the wrong religion.
Okay.
Some religions don't recognize me as a person, so it's
Yeah.
problematic.
Okay. The other thing I wanted to talk about is next KubeCon. About submitting. Last minute forgot to submit. The lightning talk.
kiosk?
No, kiosk is all okay. Kiosk and lightning talks. And project talks.
Okay.
That was my and what else? What else?
So I think you okay, well, we'll talk about them and then I'll get the action item, I assume.
Yeah, I might ask for here for to help us out. And
I hope you can still, but last time I was able to.
actually it was the last day was the deadline
Yesterday
for the lightning talks.
and the
For
kiosk.
the
Kiosk, I don't know. I didn't get any notification about it. I will need you to do the magic, so we'll have eventually. Again, it's not clear who's going to be there, but I don't.
let's submit and
Either
then
Ben
see.
or Autumn, you'll be there, right? One of you will definitely.
Yeah, there's a good chance I'm going to be there in Atlanta. But yeah.
Did you get back on any of the submissions?
Usually one man is not enough.
I still don't have any response. Like
Yeah, because
we get
reviewing
response
submissions
for the
now.
talk.
Yeah.
So. KubeCon is the conference twice a year about Kubernetes. It is like we are living from one KubeCon to the other.
That's our life.
KubeCon is before, and this is and this is only North America and EMEA. Now there's a KubeCon there are two KubeCons in Asia as well.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but we're not heading there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we don't care.
It's a magic, cool.
Yeah.
Good. Sparkling magic.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's start with the documentation.
Yes.
Is there anything else you want to talk about? Okay, so so there are two major things.
Just try out. Okay, okay.
One is moving all the control and framework to Kubescape.io.
And then pointing back to README with Kubescape.io. Kubescape.io needs to be the single source of truth.
Right.
And then it needs to point back to ARM.
No, ARM needs to point to
ARM, yeah.
but not the otherwise.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah, I don't. So now there are like two things. So in general today, the controls are like from the source code. Every time we changed controls, there was a script that ran and uploaded the changes to documentation automatically. So so controls haven't changed for like a year. We are not I mean, we're not actively developing. We are like doing fixes maybe here and there. We are adding CIS, but there are like not too many new controls.
Right.
Therefore, I got enough 2 days ago that we are not moving forward with this because we were lack of mentees before, and we had no one who like instead of uploading the documentation to one system, uploading it to another system was missing. So what I did, I started to work on use Cursor to like give it to the export the data from the old documentation and make it look. This is the Netlify markdown. Do your magic, like it.
Create a PR basically.
Yeah, so it created all the, I migrated all the controls and frameworks.
Okay.
And now the downside is that it's not updated automatically.
Yeah, we need to.
So we need to create a script
The
that's
script that
I
is.
am, like, we have to see if there is like either Yuda can take on it or we'll have someone else. I don't feel that this is like super urgent because right now we are not really changing anyhow this part of the system. So I'm okay like to solve it in the next
But we're
month.
going to change the CIS very soon, so maybe
do?
we should upgrade. I think that Iska should take it this month.
But can't we work with a cursor or something else to create a script that does that?
Yeah, again, it's yeah.
Yeah, we
can,
just
but
need
it's
someone, you know, to
still
do.
it needs to be tested and
It's
working
nice.
and proved that like the hard part is not the coding itself.
Mhm.
It's just like a knowing external system that someone needs to learn how to work with.
Yeah,
So that's one. The other thing is I'm going to that if what so I will try to see what other documentation we need to take from the readme.com
what about
documentation.
CL,
Hmm?
CL rules, CL library? Does that live in Armo or does that live in Kubescape or does that live anywhere?
I don't think it lives.
Neither. It lives neither. So I'm like more in focus of migration. So I need to see if there is like anything else we need to move from hub.armosec.io
To
and
the.
for the Kubescape, I will create by the end of this week. I will create a PR which is like
The master PR.
a big PR. I will send it to you and put you as a reviewer. Now it's going to be a lot.
Maybe let's create a master issue and then create PRs that feed into that. Does that make better sense?
I don't mind, but it's going to be one PR. Like I cannot like artificially start to break it down into okay, control like.
Oh, not per control, yeah.
I might like we can create a master
Migration issue.
migration issue. Please do create a ticket. I will start to refer it for everywhere.
Okay, because that'll keep things in order.
Then this is one step. The second step is
Same one.
yeah. The second is migrating all the other, not just the control and frameworks, but all the other additional documentation we had there that we don't have to Kubescape IO. And the third thing is that I do want to change the tone of the Kubescape IO landing page and do some restructuring. And I think that AI would be amazing because actually these are the things it is good with. To make it like less marketing and like and make talking more technical open source like and more like talking about the current features that
The
which is like
Kubescape one, right?
like key use cases and
Kubescape
key
IO one.
features that it's the third PR to make the documentation good. And that's it. These are the things and then after we are all good, we are closing merging. And then I'm going to close the hub Armosec IO for the public.
Yeah, keep it only for Armo customers.
For Armo customers. And this means, Matthias, that you will need to change, or someone will need to change the Kubescape itself to point to Kubescape IO instead of hub Armosec IO. And yeah, that's that's all I wanted to. If there are like any.
And Yuda will be part of this.
Like you have to decide.
We can, yeah, I think we can. Yuda is currently assigned to one task. We have several that Matthias and I, we'll go over the triage maybe. And then
We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see. Again, here, there is less coding here.
Okay.
And like, I'm not sure it makes,
It'll make my GitHub contributions go up and that will make me more attractive to employees.
yeah.
Come on, don't be like that.
Any comments, additions, any? Okay, everyone loves documentation, right?
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Okay,
Especially when it's done by someone else.
Exactly.
I'm a sweet person.
You are.
I'm jumping on the bad task.
Nah, you're just like trying to find excuses to vibe stuff, vibe code,
Yeah.
vibe document, vibe.
Maybe I'll learn how to vibe code.
Matthias, you really should these things are making me much faster to do accomplish a lot more things than before.
I don't need faster. I need better.
Exactly,
but
yeah.
but
I get your point.
but short time is going to be also better. Okay. Gift submissions. We missed, I think, not the kiosk sub. We haven't missed the kiosk
The
submission.
lightning talk.
The lightning, we missed. I think we missed the lightning talk. Or project talks. The kiosk. Oshrat, can you
I'll
take
check.
a
Yeah,
check? Please
check
check the
tomorrow.
kiosk.
Mhm.
Talk. Maybe. Yeah. I'm not. Yeah. I don't know. I'm sure I've submitted something already about Kubescape and CP.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, it was submitted
we-
at the KubeCon, didn't it?
Yeah.
yeah.
Or
So
to.
yeah. So I don't have like next time we have to be like a little bit more top of the lightning.
Let's see if the panel will get accepted.
Yeah.
So we have to remember that after every KubeCon we have to like already like do a plan to
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
this.
But if I get a job at a cloud native company, I might find myself at KubeCon too, and then I'll be able to help with the kiosk.
Okay. So yeah. So any cloud native companies
Yeah,
who are
so
like
pull your
reviewing
strings
this
if you
this
need a
call in the
senior
YouTube right now.
Product manager,
It's going to
product
YouTube, by
marketing
the way.
manager. Yeah, I'm open for.
You need
Write it
challenges.
as part of the agenda, please.
Help Ushrat find a new
But
job,
nothing less than every KubeCon.
fully remote, please.
Max 2 days a week.
Fully remote, fully remote.
Okay.
Go big
What
or go
about
home.
Giant Swarm?
Giant Swarm, yeah.
Okay.
Good. Matthias.
Yes. Well, I mean, it's more like some apologize because I didn't do much in the last 2 weeks regarding Kubescape and stuff because we've been like really busy. Ben, Amit, and myself doing some
Understatement, yeah.
some very important changes to the storage and the node agent on how they work together to have better scalability and more predictable resource usage. So this is why I haven't done much in the triage and the stuff.
Yeah, we might need to add here also that we are expecting within a month of a big in-cluster
Breaking
release.
change.
Big
A major one.
Does that mean it's gonna be Kubescape 4 or if it's a breaking change?
No.
Not that bit breaking.
Okay.
It's like a cracking change.
Retracking because it's rebuilding. Like, never mind.
It's yeah. For the record, it's a huge step in the way that we can scale Kubescape in Kubernetes clusters. It is really meant to bring Kubescape to a level that we can support
Big
like
cluster.
10,000 plus node clusters, which we had hard time scaling before, and Matthias and Amit worked really hard to like refactor and redesign the way it works. So we are planning 2 blog posts, one on the Kubescape and the second I asked Matthias to write a blog post on this like
Yeah.
Okay.
On Kubescape AO.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good. Okay, and now everybody is waiting for the triage. So Let's
We're
move
done with
to it.
documentation, now we can do triage, all the fun stuff.
Right.
Yes. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this one is for Matthias. Cool. 1 hour ago. Nice. Okay. So I think you can accept this one.
Yeah.
Caroline.
And we can assign the review to Matthias. Up.
Do we know that you?
Sorry?
Do we know? What is that?
Sorry, it's my
Okay. No, I'm just wondering about the contributor. I don't think I remember this one.
Yeah.
okay. Okay, so yeah, this one I assigned to you, Ben, already.
Yeah, I've I did reserve myself time to work on these.
Cool.
It's like requires some time to attention. Good things.
Okay. Oh, oops, sorry. Nice. Looks like someone is really using it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes.
With the headlamp.
Yeah,
interface.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Even a rich.
I don't think it's this one.
Oh. Facebook, isn't there a LinkedIn? Seven of them. Senior, sorry,
Yes,
that's not right.
probably this one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's not right. Nice. Maybe.
Cadaster. Dutch Land Registry and Mapping Agency. Yeah, looks like interesting.
Maybe we
Thanks,
can get
Edwin.
them, maybe we can get him to, I don't know, get them on stage
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, let's see.
as users or something.
So I guess I will. What have I done? I closed this one. So accept. And this one, I will send you Oshrat. And this is also from him. He's like really active.
I guess he's building something that is useful for him.
Yeah.
And I think that's a nice story to tell.
Yes.
These are the best things.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Best contributions.
Okay. Yeah, this one I closed it the other day, Ben, and because I missed in my brain I mixed psyllium and istio.
Yeah.
Like I close it and I say, yeah, we support Istio, but yeah, no, we don't support Cilium.
Mesh is a mesh. Okay.
And this is why I assigned Rotem,
I
because
know
maybe
I
you
know
have
this
someone
guy.
who can
I
help.
know this guy as well.
Let's,
We all know this guy and we all know why you opened it.
yeah.
Right?
Let's
It was
assign
part
it to
of the talk.
Rotem and
Sure.
and
It's already assigned to me, by the way.
yeah.
Yes.
So Rotem, please.
I'll do that.
It's literally 5 minutes working regular with
You think?
You think? Yeah.
It's not the thing. The only thing is that we have to tell Kubescape to pull these objects. Like we have
And
to
give permissions.
give permissions and give
Yep.
access to it, but that's it.
But it's an open
But they
source.
also have like a different structure inside, so we might need to massage the.
Yeah, but it's a little Rego magic. It's not very.
Yeah, come on, it's like 5 minutes vibe coding.
Yeah.
Everything is 5 minutes.
But it's 50 minutes.
Too
testing
much
and
time with Jolie.
fixing.
Yeah.
I don't know if why are you laughing at something.
No, Matthias had, being all, all in on the CNCF and the cloud, which is, very modern infrastructure. His perspective on vibe coding and blockchain is a little more conservative.
Yeah. Let's see. Many PRs made by automatically by updates. Interesting. Nice.
What is Dive and Truffle Hub?
There's no missing DCO, which is not a good thing in general.
No, but
Oh,
Jacob.
Chekhov.
see, yeah, exactly.
What is that? Go ahead. Like not Jacob. What is the change?
I don't know, but look, add dive integration, testing improvements, and zip files. Add
Okay,
Trufflehog
but
integration with automatic download on zip
but
files and stuff.
dive?
And that's nice.
what service support? What's the PR about?
Public what?
But you see what it's about. He's trying to integrate kubevern into different.
Integrations.
Oh, even documentation.
Yeah.
Was it
What is
tested?
dive?
I don't
I'm
know.
sorry for my lack of knowledge.
Yeah, I know. Dive or
What
Truffle
dive
Hub.
is?
Let's look. It's from Goodman. Nice. This is to check the size of the layers of a Docker image.
Yeah.
Fantastic. You can
Analyze
read the
Docker
code and
images
everything.
layer by layer.
Yeah, I know. I've used this one. That's cool. And Trufflehog,
Yeah,
that's the one that is trying to find.
But what's the idea like to?
Go back to the MD.
So what are we getting from this? So that just integrated subprocess can put by sift. Nice. But in general, Matthias, we kind of solved it by having like scanning on the node, no?
Yeah. But here I understand why he wants to do this, because I think like the dive does
Benefits.
maybe other things he is interested in. Maybe I should like contact him and see what he wants to do. And I think it's the same for Trufflehog. So he wants to download the image once and then run for
Yeah.
S-bound generation, monitor dive results, analyze dive results. Looks like he's really like running Kubevern
As
like
a standalone.
yes, as a standalone, not in cluster.
Yeah, but Travelog is great. Like it's something like the secret scanning we were looking for. Matthias.
Yeah.
The truffle something?
Yeah, look, he changed the image downloader.
Okay, Matthias,
I should really contact this guy to
Yeah.
see what he wants to do. Okay,
Yeah, I think
it's on me.
There's a real good review. I think,
Yeah.
it looks promising, but, it needs to be.
Let's rename the PR.
The PR.
Yeah, the PR is
And dive
Yeah,
and
if it's
edit, dive and
dive and truffle
truffle
hook
hook.
integration.
Is anything like this on our roadmap? Can we assign
The
it to
the
an
secret
issue?
scanning is.
So maybe we can also, tie it into
what
the
the
issue.
fuck?
No, you clicked on edit to your review instead of save.
Really?
Yeah, I saw that.
It's
and I
just
was
fucking
like-
slow. Look at GitHub has been
Right?
like this.
I also incurred that GitHub is really slow lately. Really? Like you feel it as well? It's not just me.
Yeah, and we talked about it this morning with I don't remember who. So yeah.
Matthias, can you check if there's a,
I'm checking.
oh, okay, we're just checking.
Yeah,
if there's a-
in the Kubescaping, yeah. We'll see.
No, not Kubescaping, roadmap to add to.
Oh
link to
yeah,
the-
yeah. This is what I meant.
Okay.
What is
Kyle
Ido
is also
doing?
very- Do, what's up?
What's that? Ido.
You should have gotten him a reggae.
User input, create database. Oh, okay. So it's the tests or something.
I don't know what the fuck. And he didn't release.
What?
It's in messaging. Okay, I don't care.
Yeah.
It's okay.
But we need.
It's okay. I don't give a
Messaging Kubescape. It's nothing. It's really nothing.
Amir want to yeah, but I've been asking art team to look into it for like a long time.
So the art manager is right here. Well,
Yeah, so it is, we need to move to image-based gadgets.
Yes, this is what we said. Yeah.
So it's like, yeah, we just talked about it.
This one, Amit has to review it, otherwise I will merge it. That's a security update. Forgot to say here. Needs reviewer. Yet another one. I mean, we definitely have like a new star contributor. Huh?
What, the other Matthias?
Dutchy. Yeah, no, Edwin's.
Oh, Dutchy, yeah.
No,
What we'd see. But that's not the issue.
that's not the issue. It's just like I found it in the roadmap. I'm looking for the issue as well.
Okay,
It's on our,
it's on the short term, right?
midterm, I guess.
Look, that's so great. Another one. I mean, that's the 5th PR opened by him.
I think he's working on something for himself. That is
Yes.
gonna help the whole community.
I mean, for the cadastre. Cadastre for the.
Yeah, well, thank you, Dutchy, and I will contact you because we might want to do a blog or a talk.
Absolutely. Okay, I think it's okay. Archive this one, and this one is work in progress. Good. Cool. Interesting stuff.
Yeah.
So Oshant, yes, I will send you the LinkedIn of Edwin. Oh, did you find him? No.
I think I'll write him through GitHub. It's creepy
Yeah.
to write him
Yeah.
on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Because he's contributed through GitHub and we'll use his GitHub.
Yeah, and how do you write to someone on GitHub? It's not a social media.
There are social aspects to it, and I can talk. I don't know. I'll find a way. I'll either find a way or make one.
Yeah. Okay. Good. And I will contact the other guy.
Look at the planning view. I wish I had a laptop, but.
You found the planning? Ben?
No.
If we had like a dive and or truffle hug or.
You're looking for?
I'm looking for the secret of
The roadmap issue for secret, for. Where is it?
The secret scan. I even had some very early
For
draft
secret scan.
PR. We
Yeah. We have a PR. We had a PR. Yes.
Secret, what do you remember?
secret scanning in Kibun.
Security features.
Secret detection. It's 206 in Kubeville.
206.
But that's the PR, right?
206. Yeah, that's the PR. Yeah.
My PR when I tried to do.
Should I send it to you, Ben? Found it?
No, roadmap.
No,
אני נכנסת ככה, כן.
yeah, it's a draft PR,
No, we don't do PR.
but we didn't have a ticket
No,
for
the
that.
issues.
No, we don't have an issue for it. Okay. Cool.
Okay,
Well, I think we can leave the meeting here for now, and yeah.
Yeah.
Am I already back in 2 weeks?
So will we put it?
Oh no, shit! I'm not here in 2 weeks.
No, you won't be here.
Yeah.
So
So
we
we'll see
open
if we keep the
to-
meeting or not.
I think we can reschedule. Maybe, or you want to do it
In 2 weeks,
We can write on the channel that we're going on a summer holiday.
Yeah.
Like everybody in Europe.
okay.
Okay, so we need an issue on the roadmap for this,
Yeah,
a real issue. Yeah. Bacchus, can you add an action for me? On
Yes.
on the minutes? To add
Yes.
the dive and truffle hug one for the secrets issue according to the governance, the roadmap MD, and add it to the board.
Yes.
I hope I made sense. Wow, that's so much work.
Yes, exactly. Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
I will ping you, okay?
Yes, I saw. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Enjoy the vacances.
Yeah, merci. See you, Ashwat.
Au revoir.
Oh, wow.
Bye bye.